Welcome back to Beautyistic Beauties. Have you ever wished for that perfect eyebrow lift and highlight without spending ages with multiple products? Well, that's exactly what we're exploring today with the BrowGal 2-in-1 Double Head Highlighter and Concealer Pencil in Toffee Bronze. It promises a gradient effect for your brows, lifting and highlighting while keeping things natural, smudge-proof, and anti-fade. Let's see if it lives up to that. So, this pencil is a dual-ended gem. One side gives you a creamy highlighter with a subtle shimmer, and the other acts as a concealer to cover any dark patches or stray hair regrowth around your brows. The shade Toffee Bronze leans warm, designed to complement a variety of hair colors, especially medium to dark tones. The texture is creamy enough for easy blending, but not so soft that it melts under your fingers. In real-world use, I found it impressively easy to integrate into my morning routine. The highlighter glides along the brow bone smoothly, instantly brightening and lifting the appearance of the eyes. The concealer side does a solid job at masking stray hairs and shadowing from regrowth, creating a clean, polished brow shape. It's subtle but effective, perfect if you're aiming for a natural look rather than a harsh, overly sculpted brow. It stays put throughout the day without smudging, even during longer wear in warmer conditions, which is always a plus. Pros: the pencil is compact and travel-friendly, the dual functionality saves time and clutter in your makeup bag, and the gradient effect genuinely enhances the brow without looking overdone. Plus, the smudge-proof formula means you don't have to constantly check your brows. On the flip side, if you have very fair or platinum blonde brows, the Toffee Bronze might be a little too warm, and you might need to layer lightly to avoid a noticeable shimmer. Also, while creamy, it's not as soft as some premium highlighters, so blending takes a gentle hand. Considering value for money, it's reasonably priced given that you're getting two products in one, which is both convenient and functional. Compared to other high-end brow pencils and concealer highlighter combos, this one holds its own, especially for its portability and wear resistance. Build quality is solid. The pencil feels sturdy, the caps snap on securely, and the product doesn't break easily. Longevity-wise, it performs well throughout a standard 8 to 10 hour day without significant fading. Customer support isn't something I personally had to engage with, but the BrowGal has a solid reputation for responsiveness. If you're looking for alternatives, you could consider single-ended brow highlighters or concealer pencils from other brands, but you'd likely lose the convenience of a dual-ended tool and possibly some of the smudge-proof performance. For a product that combines functionality, ease of use, and subtle impact, this pencil is definitely worth considering. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. In my final take, the BrowGal 2-in-1 Double Head Highlighter and Concealer Pencil hits the mark for anyone who wants a natural, polished brow look without fuss. It's easy to use, effective, and travel-friendly, perfect for everyday wear or quick touch-ups. If you've struggled to lift and define your brows with minimal effort, this could be your new go-to. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried this pencil already, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Links to purchase are in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.